Who does that? What kind of... I have so many choice words, which I can't say on this because I'm trying to be calm and I'm trying to be compassionate and try to understand from all sides. I've been MIA. Firstly, want to apologize. That wasn't and hasn't been my plan, but my plans have slightly changed, and this is why. Long story short. So Frankie and I, when I was driving back from the last trip in our last video where we cooked up for the first time in the van and got the whole kitchen set up in the back, and on my way home, stopping in Springfield, Illinois, I had stopped at a big park, huge, and it was probably 100 yards, 100 meters field, and it was just me and Frankie on one side. Two dogs come running up from across the field and attacked Frankie. And there's very few things that will get me super angry, but that was one of them. They bit her. I didn't realize that they punctured her until a couple days later when it started to scab, because I didn't see anything on and I didn't see any blood, you know, with her black hair. I didn't realize that until after. But what really got me was when I was walking back to my car, which the other person's car was there, the guy didn't say anything. Didn't apologize, didn't say anything, didn't call his dogs. So every time as we were walking back, the dogs kept trying to come back, and I was super firm in telling them to get the heck away from my dog, to get away from Frankie. Frankie is super friendly. She's like Yoda level, super kind, wants to meet and say hello to everybody and every dog. She's just so full of love. It really got me super angry that this clown, A, didn't call his dogs, didn't do anything, didn't apologize for anything, because he saw the whole thing from across the field. If you can't handle your own dog and they're reactive or slightly aggressive or any questionable doubt you might have, keep them on a lead. Keep them on a long leash. Let other people know around you. It's not right to just let a dog that's aggressive at all off a lead, especially in a public area like that. What if I had kids? And Frankie is my child at the moment. That has been one of the reasons why I've taken some time, because I had to take her to the vet, and I was so angry and I didn't know how I was going to be able to do another film without having to explain it and talk about it. And I didn't really catch a lot of photos. I can show what it looks like now. Not sure if you can see that. My camera's kind of fogging up. But this is where she got bit, poor girl. Right on the tush. I know. She's been healed. It's been a few weeks now. I got some antibiotics, and I should have got that guy's name and address so I could send him the vet bill, because it cost me a couple $100. Okay, anyways, that was me being angry about that, because I had set a goal to be able to shoot one video a week, but a few things have come up, as life does. I have been so preoccupied that it's been hard to do anything other than just cook for myself, and I haven't been able to video it. So the next thing that has been preventing me from doing my job, which is now this, is this guy. Meet Gary. Gary is a sweetheart. Hi. Come here, Gary. This is Gary. Gary, I found him at a park. Sit over here. Come here. Over here. Sit. Good boy, good boy. Okay, wait, sit. I found Gary at the park. And it's not as like something I planned on having. We're doing fostering or having another dog at the moment. My plan is to go out in the van and travel America and do things with my dog, Frankie, who's right over here. Frankie, come here. Good girl, Frankie, good girl. I love good girl. And she has been nothing but amazing with Gary. So I named him Gary. Gary D, right? And he's super smart. And he's probably like 6 or 7 months old. But who does that? Who leaves their dog? Who kicks him out of a car? So the story is, I was walking Frankie, and it was a hot day, and over at this park across 35 in Austin, Texas. And we're walking, and then all of a sudden I see this dog running up towards us, which I'm now on alert because of what happened to Frankie a couple weeks ago. But he comes running up. He's very joyful, jumping around, playing. I mean, he was just, he was fun. There was a bunch of workers there that he came from that were trimming the trees. And I'm like, hey guys, is this one of you guys' dog? And they're like, no, it's not ours. It was 11 a.m. when I got there. They said somebody came in before 7, pulled in, opened the door, let the dog out, and then drove away. Who does that? What kind of... I have so many choice words, which I can't say on this because I'm trying to be calm and I'm trying to be compassionate and try to understand from all sides, which I can. But if you get a pup, it's your responsibility. You can't just drop them by the road. That is horrible. It's horrible karma. What would you guys have done if you found a pup like this who just come running up? I couldn't just leave him there. I just couldn't do it. It's just not in my nature. So when I found him, I took him straight to a vet's. Called him right away because I had just brought Frankie in to get all checked up, and so they knew me, and I bring him in, and he's got no microchip. I got him all his shots. I'm probably going to get him neutered in a couple weeks. I have some friends of mine that are going to help train him, and I'm super thankful for that. But what would you have done? Why do people do this? I can fathom, I know it's difficult. I know, it is. But there's people out there that can help. If you need training, there's so many YouTube videos on training pups, and yeah, it's just beyond me, you know? I feel bad. He's such a joy. He's a bit reactive with small dogs when I walk him, so I gotta train that out of him. Yeah, he's a protector. He's not like Frank's. Frank is just, you know, Frankie's perfect. You are perfect too. Give me a kiss. Oh, you're so good. Oh, okay, sit. Sit. Good boy. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. No, sit. Stay. And sit and everything. He's learning everything. This girl over here. And he's such a good pup. And I'm very thankful for some friends of mine that are helping me put him into some training and find him a home if I decide not to keep him. Because if I keep him, it changes my whole plan. It changes everything I've been working towards for the last 2 years. And I'm trying not to be selfish, and I'm really thinking through it because he is such an amazing dog. He's so smart. He's a little mouthy, he's a little jumpy, but he's a puppy. And I understand that. Compared to Frankie is like so good. She's so good. And she's been showing him the ropes and showing him some manners. But he's so smart. He already knows how to open the door when I put him outside. He already knows how to open the French door. And he's so loving and he's so soulful. I'll put some videos up here on here. But I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I will be cooking a lot more, and I've been doing a ton of testing and recipes that I think you're gonna love. And I'll pop a couple pictures here. And I have a big plan, and I've been working on that in the background, and the whole, some proposals for some brand sponsors that want to sponsor from my last video that I did, the mushroom steak one. Never accepted any money from anybody about their brand. And if I'm gonna do it, it's gonna be exclusive, and you're gonna have the best. I love you. I know I love you too. I do. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there, including my own. And everybody else's. And every dog dad. All you guys who take good care of your pets and choose not to eat so many animals, if any at all, which I would love to see more of that. I know there's a lot of problems going on in the world. But I gotta tell you, these guys have nothing but love to give. Nothing but love. It's almost like we don't deserve them. So treat them right. Please. I'll be back. I just want you to know what's going on. If you guys want to support and help me out with Mr. Gary D here, there's a super thanks button somewhere. Or subscribe, like, just to get the word out there. I appreciate you. Frankie appreciates you. She understands what's going on, and she's been being so patient. Anyways, I'll see you soon. I have so many good things I want to share. So much amazing food. Okay, up, buddy. Up. Oh, yes.